I have been on the road full time in an RV with my family. Let me tell you how this lady made me cry. So I get off the phone, I'm like, that's weird. What? I remember how the summers. I have been on the road full time in an RV with my family, my wife, my 4 kids, my dog. I've been working remotely, and our goal has been since July to travel the US and visit all 50 states. Obviously, we'll have to fly to some, but that's been an amazing experience. But right now, the RV is in the shop and we're home for a season because I am working on an aspect of our business that still needs me to be present for it. And I didn't plan for this, so I'll tell you a little bit about that in a minute. Right now, I am in my father-in-law's home gym, and we don't have space for this in the RV, so I'm pretty jazzed about this. Anyways, let me tell you how this lady made me cry this week. So we've been renovating a new commercial space for one of our businesses. And I mentioned I hadn't automated a certain aspect of my business. That piece was how to open a new location. So on the tail end of COVID and being consistent, we've been blessed to have growth and be able to expand into new areas. That's a story for another day. But this week, I've been learning a lot about commercial code and what's required for egress and things like that. I know a lot of that for residential because I'm in real estate investment, flip houses, build houses, but I haven't renovated a commercial space yet. So anyways, there was a long list of things that I had to do to get this space ready. And it just seemed like I was trying to jump through hoop and jump through hoop and jump through hoop. When I first called for my application, they basically were telling me, well, good luck with that. It's gonna be 6 to 8 weeks. And that was a problem because my open date was gonna be March 1st. I was like, man, what can I do? What can I do? And the lady that I originally talked to was kind of short and didn't seem to really be an advocate for small business. So I just kind of stayed positive about it. And I called back the next day and just tried to ask another lady, hey, is there anything we can do? We're a small business. And this lady named Stacy is my absolute hero. She said, hold up, give me a minute. I'm gonna make some calls. I'll call you right back. So I get off the phone. I'm like, that's weird. What is that? So she goes and does some things. Next thing I know, Stacy calls me back and she says, your permit's ready to pick up. Come get it. What? Stacy went out of her way to help a small business owner be able to have success in this space. I asked Stacy, like, how can I help you? How can I repay you? She was like, no, don't worry about it. This is just what I do. And that got me thinking. We can have the same impact on other people throughout our day. Going out of your way for someone else for whatever is top priority on their agenda is a rare thing. A lot of times people promote me, myself, and I got this, and my team, and all this stuff. And I think as I continue to operate in business, experience things with other people, that if we lead with putting other people first, that we will in turn reap long-term blessing, long-term reward. And look at the trickle-down effect, right? Stacy helped me, so now I'm just like so jazzed. I want to help somebody else. We don't know the full impact of what we're doing today and how it's going to affect other people. So I hope that's a challenge for you today. Stacy, you are an inspiration to all of us. Try to think about that today as you're interacting with other people in and around your business. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope that's an encouragement to you. See you soon.